Back in the days, when you were young and you absolutely bothered doing homework. Well, thanks to the internet, you may just think it a little less now. And that is because, as this is the internet we are talking about, you can get paid to do homework for other people all from the comfort of your home, using your smartphone or computer. If this sounds like a great way to make some extra money on the side, and if you have got the brains for it, then why not give it a go? Here are 7 websites that will pay you up to $100 per week. Number 1. School Solver. School Solver is a renowned homework and assignment help platform. In this website, students present their questions and tag it with the price they are willing to pay. Then it is up for you to answer the questions and get paid direct to your bank account you gave them during registration. Students ask questions in every single subject imaginable, and your answers can be purchased by not just the student who asked the question but also others after them. This means that where you would normally earn $5, for example, you could actually make as much as $500 over time. Number 2. Studypool. Studypool is a micro-tutoring platform that gives you the option of placing bids on students' homework questions, which is usually between $5 and $20 per answer. The website also has more than 20 million study documents from hundreds of universities in 150 countries in its notebank. Anyone can bid on any questions, but students will compare profiles, statistics and reviews to make their final decision. So be sure to put some effort into your profile creation. The one thing that student users will look at is your degree. Number 3. Growing Stars. Growing Stars is another great website to make money online by helping students with their homework. You will mostly work with young children from grades 3 to 12, offering about 2 hours of one-on-one tutoring a week in your expert area. To apply to join Growing Stars' team of online tutors, you will need to complete the candidate registration form. You will also need to be educated in your chosen subject. Number 4. Freelancer. Freelancer is one of the best online platforms to find freelance work like designing websites or translating. You can also find and apply for opportunities to help students with their homework. It is free and easy to join, and you can set your own prices. All you need to do is set up a public profile and start applying for relevant jobs. Number 5. Upwork. Upwork basically does the same thing that Freelancer does. The only difference between Upwork and Freelancer is that Upwork lets people submit projects that they need completing, but freelancers bid on the ones that interest them and that match their skills. You set your own prices, and there are no registration fees. But do note that you will be charged a commission for each project you complete. Started with any of the companies we list here. Number 6. Tutor.com. Tutor.com is one of the most popular tutoring sites on the internet. Subjects like calculus, physics, accounting, and computer science are always in demand. Pay varies based on subject level, and there are incentives given for consistent high-quality tutoring. The process for applying is simple. Check your skills against their concept list to see how you measure up. Then complete the application online. Tutor.com also requires its tutors to complete skills tests for each subject area they're interested in tutoring. Number 7. OwnClass. OwnClass offers a different way for you to get paid for homework help. Instead of directly answering questions from students, You can provide your own detailed notes for other students to learn from. This is a great opportunity for students to make some money off taking notes, which is something they have to do for their own classes anyway. You can also write shorter answers or essays or longer study guides for cash. Others can also go to you directly if you are an expert in a subject to ask a question for help. So there is still some opportunity to earn with the question and answer model here. It seems that note-taking is the way to go, though. The site says that people can make an average of $470 per week. Have you ever used any of these sites to make some money, or any other sites where you could get paid to do homework for others that you have used? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss out other videos like this. Thanks for watching.